6 News. Coverage you can count on. In high definition. Starts now.
Good evening. Police in St. Mary's say they now know, or at least they believe they know, who torched a furniture store on St. Mary's Street this past winter.
Colin Dowd now faces several felony charges. Devin Clark has been covering this story since it happened, and he joins us live with the latest. Devin?
Well, Jen, Marty, the fire that police say Colin Dowd set back in January caused quite the commotion. Parts of Route 255 had to be closed down for hours while numerous crews battled the blaze and secured the scene. Now investigators say the culprit is behind bars. I want you to take a look at this video that we shot back in January last winter. This is the fire that left the old Susie's Furniture building destroyed with damages estimated at $500,000. Now, after months of investigating, state and city police, along with firefighters, have determined that Colin Dowd is the man who did it. Dowd was charged with 3 counts of arson and related offenses such as criminal trespass that included felonies of the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd degree, and more. Police say aside from being an arsonist, Dowd is also a thief, now facing other serious charges stemming from a separate incident, including theft from a motor vehicle that police say happened at the nearby Walmart. Now, Dowd was locked up in the Elko County prison and is being held there in lieu of $250,000 bail. No word on why police say Dowd set that fire. Reporting live, Devin Clark, 6 News.